today we just got a little vlog for y'all. We had a lit ass vlog for y'all yesterday, but I had accidentally deleted it. So therefore, like, we just gonna make a vlog for you guys today. So looking up my girl. I'm gonna come back. But she about to say shit to the motherfucker.
That's it.
But yeah.
My color looks
Huh? There you go down there. Oh. Oh my god. Hey, that shit is fast. Yeah. Man, that shit is so fast. Man, this whole motherfucking park. The smell. Everybody was blowing that motherfucker out now. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? We got a little something too. You know what I'm saying? Don't sleep on us. We got us a little something.
That's something.
But we can't wait to get us something like my friend. I'm gonna get something faster than him though. You know what I'm saying? We ain't gonna do something better and bigger than him. I told him Camaro SS coming real soon. Y'all let y'all know that's my car right there. There you go, right there. Record it. Oh, man, I really appreciate everybody. Like, when I post this video, we should be at 5,000 subscribers.
Oh yeah, okay, so we're at like 4,800.
Yeah, 800 and almost 900. So by the time that this video come out, or around that time,
Hopefully
we reach
5K.
5,000 subscribers. That's a big accomplishment, I swear. Like,
It is. It's been a month and a few days.
Yeah, a month and a few days. We got some real good stuff coming out for you guys. We had, like I said, we had something real good for y'all yesterday. But
He deleted it.
yeah, I accidentally deleted it. But yeah, look at her. She's scared.
I'm not scared.
Oh, this bed is tripping.
He always hit the curb. Yep.
What the hell happened back there? What do you mean?
It's the final. You know what I'm saying? Just got it cut down a little lower.
Let me show.
Hey man. Now we're just looking for, we in a beauty supply store right now. We're just looking for me some products so I can go ahead and start getting, like, I guess my hair curly again and taking care of it and shit, such a shit like that.
Oh, it's not K2, it was the other product. Sheer Moisture. The other brand, Sheer Moisture.
Wait, no, this is the detangler one. Actually, if y'all want some curls, y'all go get this right there. You know what I'm saying? But no, I don't need that. Y'all gonna see how my hair get up. Cut a lot of it off. Y'all let me know in the description if y'all like my new cut though. Y'all can be honest with the kid. I ain't really stunning. You still like my hair? She think I look even better. So yeah. You good?
Alright, so this was just a little short vlog for you guys.
Yeah, Yeah, we got some videos coming very, very
other
soon
ideas, other videos, yeah.
that you guys have requested and that we just gonna do. So, yeah, that was just a little short video for you guys. Got the new haircut and the charger. So, yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.